Welcome back to MVP Auto, where we bring you the best in automotive design, modifications, and futuristic concepts. Today, we have something truly special, a 2025 Toyota Fortuner like you've never seen before. This isn't your regular SUV, it's been transformed into a futuristic beast with an aggressive stance, sleek design, and performance-inspired details that will leave you in awe. Right from the first glance, this modified Fortuner demands attention. The blacked-out glossy finish gives it a stealthy, premium look, while the Widebody kit adds to its dominant road presence. The sharp, angular lines on the rear and sides give it an almost supercar-like aesthetic, making it look more like a performance SUV than a traditional Fortuner. Moving towards the rear, the custom LED taillights with a unique lighting signature enhance the futuristic vibe. The dual exhaust system with a geometric design not only looks aggressive but also hints at the power this machine could be packing under the hood. And check out that rear diffuser, it's designed to optimize aerodynamics while adding to the overall sporty appeal. The large multi-spoke alloy wheels, finished in black with red accents, perfectly complement the exterior. Paired with low-profile tires, they enhance the SUV's road grip while maintaining that high-performance stance. The flared wheel arches and custom side skirts complete the aggressive transformation, making this one of the most head-turning Fortuners ever imagined. Now, let's take a look inside. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior. The doors open to reveal a luxurious cabin wrapped in premium black leather, featuring red stitching for a sporty touch. The dashboard is fitted with a massive digital display, offering all the modern tech you'd expect in a futuristic SUV. The ambient lighting system adds to the premium feel, creating an atmosphere that's both high-tech and comfortable. The sporty bucket seats, premium materials, and custom steering will make it clear that this Fortuner is built for both style and performance. Now, imagine this version of the Toyota Fortuner hitting the roads in 2025. Wouldn't this be the ultimate SUV upgrade? With its next-level modifications, aggressive styling, and futuristic design, this Fortuner is unlike anything Toyota has officially released. What do you think of this custom Fortuner build? Would you love to see something like this become a reality? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this hyper-realistic render, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto for more epic car content. Stay tuned for more insane car modifications, futuristic designs, and automotive innovations.